Hey everyone, last week Domino's Pizza reported its latest earnings report, and the stock did not have a pretty reaction. In fact, on Thursday, the 27th of April, the stock's initial reaction was higher. In fact, the stock rallied roughly about 4.5%, but then actually reversed course, closed the day down quite a lot, but intraday reversed from its intraday high to its lows about 11%. So 11% down from its intraday high to the low. It's called a bearish reversal. Now that's the chart, that's one thing, but let's take a step back and think about what this means, what the company said. And I'm going to bring over my Reuters here so you guys can see what parts of the company's news conference was all about. So let me do that. What you'll see here as I bring this over, and I'm just bringing up one of the news headlines from it, or from the conference call, and essentially you can see that what it says here is that Domino's is concerned about the slowdown in its delivery business as consumers opt to cook at home instead of ordering in. Now let's think about this for a minute. If everything was so amazing in the economy, why is it that people who are going to buy a $20 pizza are preferring to cook in? That's not a high ticket item. So if that's a problem, there's probably quite little hope for people to buying a second or third Tesla. Okay? So it's just a big picture view. I'm not saying the economy is awful and everything's going to fall apart. This is just an observation, and from basically news flow here. So this is, to me, a pretty good reading, and it's kind of ironic that we're talking about pizza. I love their stuffed crust, by the way. So this is nothing against pizza, Domino's. In fact, I might be ordering pizza here in the coming days. Just now, Domino's is on my mind. But the more important point is that we can read into the real economy by listening to conference calls like that, more so than we get from something like a Meta and some other stocks where we all know there's a lot of chart chasing going on and algorithms. I'm not quite sure how many algorithms are trading Domino's Pizza, right? A lot of them are focused elsewhere. So I just thought I'd point this out. I think it's an important point. So next time you look at news reports, make sure you're expanding your horizon a little bit. Don't just look at a couple tech stocks that are on everyone's radar. Look at the real economy. Hope it helps. We'll see you again in the next video.